Right, I can't even start the car now, so I've had to ring up the RAC. It's in neutral, foot on the brake, so I'm pressing the start button, and all it comes on, it says to start the engine, brake plus put the gearbox in neutral. Well, the gearbox is in neutral, so I put it in there. It is in neutral. So all I get is says put it in neutral. I'm flashing. Now it says it's in 2, and then gone back to neutral again. Nothing's happening. No starting. I'll turn the video off again in a minute. But nothing's happening. There's no, can't even get to start. The revs are going up, but there's no sound.